guys, it's Modesty and welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 4 of my 25 days of Christmas. Alright you guys, so I interrupt my regular programming of top 5s to bring you a very controversial review. I just got this mail today. I ordered this specifically to do this review and I thought it would take 5 million years to get here. It got here pretty quick for being in Hawaii, for me living in Hawaii, and yeah, so I managed to grab 2 of the Jaclyn Hill, or the Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighters. I couldn't get the palette, but I got the 2 things that I wanted anyway. I didn't really care for that. I didn't really want the palette. So I picked up the Mood Light. Well, I wanted the Mood Light powder, but I ended up having to get the duo because just the powder was sold out. So I got the Mood Light duo, and then I picked up the loose highlighter in the shade Bomb. So I figured I would try those out with you guys today. Maybe discuss everything that's going on. I'm gonna bring up the prices and everything, chit chat with you guys, and we're just gonna dive right into it. So let's first talk about the whole lipstick thing. Did I not mention, if you guys haven't followed me, did I not mention that I was gonna wait because I knew something would go wrong with her launch? Because, you know, I never buy things. I never buy things when they are first launched because there's always problems. So I didn't, but I'm gonna go to the website. Okay, so the loose highlighters retail for $32. I'm not mad at that because Becca is $39, and you probably, I think, you know what, let me check. Okay, so here is a Becca highlighter, and you receive 0.28 ounces or 8 grams. And this is a loose highlighter, which, by the way, lasts a lot longer because they're more pigmented, and you get oh, dang. That weight, 4 grams. Okay, so actually, hey, hold up. You only get half of my product that you get in this. So that is actually really expensive. Oh my gosh. $32? I think if it was priced at $28, I would be okay with $28. But $32 is a little steep for that amount of product. But $28 I'd be okay with. So I think it should be about $28 for that. And then honestly, the thing I was most excited about was the Mood Light powder. That is the thing that I wanted the most. Let me see. Shop highlighters. And then the Mood Light duo is $49, or just the Mood Light is $32. So I think that is pretty okay. Maybe. I gotta see how much product you get in this, but I paid $49 and I got the brush with it. I mean, like I said, I only got the brush because I really just wanted the Mood Light powder, and the single powder was sold out. So here's the packaging, very Jaclyn Hill. Ugh, come out. And then it is in 2 separate boxes. So we have the Doomy. We have the Doomy powder, and then we have her brush right here. Okay, so her shipping was pretty quick. I did happen to order it right before, you know, Thanksgiving, so it did take a little longer. I'm guessing if it wasn't over Thanksgiving, it would have been faster. But, you know, I clearly had to wait until the holiday was over. But it was not supposed to get here until Friday, and today's Tuesday, and it came today, so I'm okay with that. All right, so let's actually move on to the product itself. So over the pricing, you know, it's expensive. But I do have to say that I so far like the presentation, like the white packaging. I mean, I know that we're gonna toss in that, but ooh, this is so pretty. So pretty, right? Now, I want a little disclaimer. I am someone, I review the product. Do I have any, like, personal feelings towards Jaclyn Hill? No, she's just a person. I review makeup. That's what I do. Person aside, I do hear where everyone is coming from. Where, you know, because it is your guys' money, and a lot of people are upset about the whole lipstick thing. I too would be upset. Now, being totally real with you guys, would that prevent me from purchasing the next thing? No, because I review product. That's what I do, and it's really pretty. So, but that's just me. That's my personal thing. Everyone's different. Totally get that. But I want to review it for you guys, for those who are curious and are on the fence on whether they want to give it another go or not. She is restocking on the 5th, so the day after, so it will be tomorrow for you guys when you see this. It's 2 days from now, but it'll be tomorrow when you guys are seeing this. So let's just dive into the product. I'm rambling. So I'm looking pretty flat. I need some highlighter. Let's dive into it. I want to test out the Moonlight powder first. The packaging is very luxurious. It really is. It's very Lancome, honestly, in the sense of like packaging. This is 10 grams in this. Okay, so you get the exact same amount in the, okay, so this Lancome powder is $65 and you get 10 grams. This is, you get 10 grams and this is like, I think it was like, what did I say it was? 30, I said it was 32? How much did I say this was? 32. So this is $32. So it is half the price and you get the same amount of product. So I think that these, the Moonlight powders are priced perfectly. Ooh, it's already getting smudges. So price point wise, I'm okay with these. And then I'm gonna open up the brush. Okay. Ooh, I do like the packaging and how it all comes in. That is a very good presentation. The brush comes very protected. Very protected. It feels kind of heavy. Feels a little heavier than a Morphe brush. So, I mean, I guess that's all right. Okay, let's open this puppy up. So, you have a little protector for the sifter. All right, I am going to test it out 2 ways. I am going to use the brush, and then I'm going to use my sponge. So, it looks like in the cap. All right, let's see. So, start at the chin area. Ooh. I have so much texture right now, you guys. I'm so stressed out from like everything recently, like Christmas and all that. I just have so much texture. And I use a foundation that is just making me really mad. All right, so it does give a luminosity. I don't know if you can see that. Let's dust it right here. Ooh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Let's bring it on the forehead. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, that is really giving me like a luminous, you know, it's making me like, but it's not like, you know, sparkly, you know? Which I like. This is the product that I was absolutely most excited about, hands down. This is the one I really wanted. Like if I was only gonna get one product, this would have been it. Because there isn't a ton of these on the market. I'm literally putting it everywhere now at this point. Okay, so I'm not going to put it... I want to test it out with a sponge just to see what that does. You know, testing it out. So, I have some more in the cap. Pick it up on my sponge. Okay, it's almost like the sponge took away the luminosity, or it's just not catching in the light, my lighting. But my skin feels so soft, and it's almost, let me see. Yeah, it definitely feels very soft on my skin. That looks pretty. I like that. Like, you could even use it, like, right after you use it as just, like, a dusting. Oh, my gosh, my skin feels so soft. Oh, my goodness. It feels so soft. So, this is the Jaclyn Balm Loose Highlighter. Similar packaging, just, of course, smaller. All right, so I'm not going to pour some in the cap because it looks like there's enough right there. I hear this is like really pigmented. So just to be, oh, and by the way, I like this brush. I really do actually. So let's see. What do I want to use? I want to start out with just something smaller. So I'm going to be taking this Morphe eyeshadow brush, the M461, and we will pick up some of this. Oh my. Okay, yeah. This is a dual fiber brush, which is supposed to make it less pigmented. And that's pretty pigmented. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. Look at that. Wow. All right, let me put a little bit more. Because hang on. Oh, wow. She's real pretty. Yes. Do you see that? That's really pretty. What I like is that it's not emphasizing texture. I fully expected it to. Like, my texture basically looks the same as before. So, yes, my texture is still there, but it didn't make it more intense, which typically highlighters would. Okay, so that is like this is a small brush. So this is a small area. I want to see what would happen if I applied a little more with a different brush. Let me grab my typical highlighting brush that I would use like on a regular basis. So pick up some of this and whoop. Okay, that's intense. Oh my. Let me blend that out. So it looks a little intense, but I'm gonna put blush on and see what it looks like afterwards. So far, it's pretty, you guys. It's real pretty. I'm gonna put on some Milani Luminoso. Not like I need to illuminate anymore. Oh yeah, once you go ahead and you apply the blush, it's real pretty. Alright guys, so this is my face with the two highlighters on. I'm really happy with how my skin looks despite the texture from that foundation that I've been wearing. Ugh, so bad. Anyways, so my overall thoughts, let's take Jaclyn out of the situation and plop her there. Let's look at the highlighters, the price, everything like that, right? So the pricing for the Mood Light powder, I think is spot on. I would definitely pay this over and over and over. I would pay $32 over and over and over for this product. This is definitely my favorite product in the collection. I need to try the palette to tell you guys that. This is what I was most excited for. This is exactly what I wanted. I love this so much. I can tell I'm going to get a ton of use of this. I'm going to hit pan on this. It's going to be an empty jar. I love this product. This is exactly what I've been looking for. Now, so I would say this out of the set is necessary. Like, surprisingly, I actually really like the brush as well. I would not buy the brush on its own. I think it's gonna be expensive. I think if you do want the brush though, get it in the set. So the brushes on their own, I think are pretty expensive. But I do actually enjoy this brush for it. Do I think you could do the job with another brush? Sure. But I do enjoy the brush that this comes with. So I love this one a lot. I would definitely suggest this one. Now, as for the loose highlighter, it is beautiful, you guys. It is intense. I definitely had to do my blush and my bronzer afterwards and, you know, pat it in because it's intense. Now that I have everything done, I think I can go in and add a smidge more. I love the color of this one. This one is, again, in Balm. It's a Balm color. I like it. Do I think you need the brush that it probably comes with? I haven't used it, but based on the fact that I am okay with how to apply with this, no. You don't need that brush. Get a little bit of that glow back. Right here. You literally, this will last you forever. You will probably only need to buy one of these. Just letting you know, because I barely, like, and is glowing. So I do think this is expensive though, but you do need far less product than you do, say, a pressed highlighter. So with that in mind, maybe the price is right, just because with loose highlighters, you literally need like half the amount, maybe less than that. So I can't be too mad at the price based on how long I know this is going to last me, and the fact that the packaging is just so luxurious. It's like literally material-wise, it's like the same as Lancome. So, and Lancome is good packaging. So I can't be too mad at this price. Overall, in general, it's expensive, yes. There's bomb drugstore highlighters, there's bomb dollar store highlighters, there's really good highlighters out there. But just taking everything into account for the vibe she's going for, you know, more high-end luxurious, the price point is right. Now, if she was trying to like go for like more like drugstore, definitely of course is more expensive. But with, you know, packaging, everything, it is priced okay. Still expensive though, I know. So yeah, that is that. I love the products a lot. Do I think that her brand deserves a second chance? I do. I think that she needs to mature quite a bit. I think that she has matured quite a bit. But yeah. Full disclosure, when she does relaunch her lipsticks, I will be purchasing them. Because again, I've never been someone to make a statement with my wallet. I like what I like. That I'm going to leave it at that. I'm someone, I like what I like. And it's never been a priority of mine to make a statement with my wallet. I like what I like. So I hope that doesn't bother anyone. That's just me. Again, if you don't want to purchase it, don't purchase it. But if you do kind of want to purchase something, I highly recommend the Mood Light powder. It is phenomenal. So that's my 2 cents. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry I interrupted the top 5 week, but this is kind of more time sensitive because she is restocking tomorrow. So I will have over restock info down below for you guys to check out if you guys are interested in any of our products. If you guys would like me to review the palette, let me know. I will set my alarm to order it if you guys want. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I'm so excited to continue using these products, and I really do wish her brand the best. I hope she continues to grow and improve and mature, and I hope everyone gets all their refunds eventually. So all right, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Everyone be nice to each other. Be nice to me. This is a very safe space, and yeah, so we can open a discussion in the comments. I'm totally with you guys on everything that I feel like you're gonna say. I'm totally with you. Just my own thing is I don't make a statement with my wallet. So, all right, that's everything. I gotta go. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Bye.